are my selections: valence electron and oxidation number. So let's first discuss about valence electron. I use the mnemonic or memory technique OSV, which stands for outer shell valence electron. Because if you're trying to get the valence electron, you will need to see the outermost shell of the element. To remember the oxidation number, I use the mnemonic EKang. What does EKang mean? EKang means 8 electronic configuration as noble gases. Now we can hop into our examples. First, let's talk about valence electrons. The element I chose is sodium. And if you use the mnemonic technique OSV, outer shell valence electron, as you can see here, the outer shell of sodium is only 1. So that means our valence electron is 1. The element I chose here is neon. And if you use the mnemonic technique, the outer shell most of the neon is 8, so valence electron is 8. For the third example, I chose magnesium. If you use the mnemonic technique, outer shell most of an element, the outer shell most of an element is 2, so the valence electron is 2. Fourth element I chose is aluminum. And if you look at the outer shell most of aluminum, it's 3, so the valence electron is 3. Now finally, the last example for valence electron. If you can see the outermost shell of the silicon, it's 4, so the valence electron is 4. Now let's get into oxidation number examples. First example, I chose beryllium. If we use the mnemonic I introduced, you will need 8. So to get that 8, you need 6 valence electron, and the ones on the right have 6 valence electron. I chose rubidium. If we use the mnemonic again, we need 7 valence electron, because the valence electron of rubidium is only 1. The ones on the right have 7 valence electron. Third example, I chose arsenic, and arsenic needs 3 valence electrons, and the one on the right has 3 valence electrons. For this example, I chose chlorine, and chlorine needs 1 valence electrons, and the one on the right have 1 valence electron. Now for the last example, I chose lead, and lead needs 4 valence electrons, and the ones on the right have 4 valence electrons. I didn't include lead because it's the element I chose.